Good morning. This is a recording for Thursday, January 25. As you can see, I'm back in Cozumel and I'm recording it in the wee hours of the morning. But the full moon is so gorgeous, I just could not do it. So anyway, the essay from the Book of Awakening by Mark Nepo that I'm going to read for you today is titled Moments, Not Words. As always, I'm going to read it for you and then we're going to do a short practice around it. The Buddha once said, like the moon, come out from behind the clouds and shine. When I think of those who have taught me how to love, moments come to mind, not words. As far back as grade school when Laurie wouldn't stop spinning when recess ended, spinning to a deeper, higher call, she laughed, her little head back, her arms wide, trying to hug the whole world. Then, the day Kennedy was shot, there was my quiet teacher, Mr. P, crying for a man he didn't know, letting us go home. But I came back to hear him play a sad piano to what he thought was an empty room. And Grandma, holding my little hands open on her basement steps and saying, these are the oldest things you own. Or the changing faces I would wake to at the foot of my bed while recovering from surgery. Or my father-in-law watering black walnuts 6 inches high that wouldn't be fully grown for 150 years. Or my oldest friends who always listen, like a lake. Though words can carry love, they often point to it. It is the picking up of something that has dropped, and the giving of space for someone to discover for themselves what it means to be human, and the forgiving of mistakes when we realize that we've done. What a beautiful reflection. So now let's do a practice around it. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Your breath nice and soft, completely natural. See if you can get a sense of spaciousness in your breathing, a sense of freedom, so that all the experiences of the present moment flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now center yourself and bring to mind 3 people who have taught you how to love. And as you breathe slowly, naturally, recall the actual moment that revealed each of their lessons in love. I'll give you plenty of time for that. So take your time, recalling the moment that revealed each of their lessons. And now let's send gratitude and loving kindness to those three people. And even if some of these people have already passed, still the loving kindness mantra will serve well here to connect you with them, to connect you with those lessons they taught you, lessons in deep love. So think of the first person, evoking their image in your mind's eye, in your heart. You can gently say their name, you can imagine hugging them, or whatever seems right at this moment for you. And repeat after me. May you be filled with loving kindness. May you know deep, natural peace. Thank you for being in my life. Thank you for teaching me how to love. Think of the second person. Evoke their image in your mind and your heart. And again, repeat after me. May you be filled with loving kindness. May you know deep, natural peace. Thank you for being in my life. Thank you for teaching me how to love. And now we'll do the same for the third person. Imagine them in your mind. Evoke their presence in your heart. And repeat after me. May you be filled with loving kindness. May you know deep, natural peace. Thank you for being in my life. Thank you for teaching me how to love. Now place your hands on your heart and with gratitude for all the lessons and love that you have received from those three people and many others through the course of your life. Send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I stay connected to the moments of deep love. May I know deep, natural peace. And following the Buddha's advice, like the moon come out from behind the clouds and shine, let's shine the light of love on those who surround us, all our dear ones and those who we barely know or don't know at all. There is enough of love to go around. May all living beings be filled with loving kindness. May all beings be well, in body and mind. May all beings feel cared for, protected, at ease. May all beings know deep, natural peace. And as always, as you gently let go of your practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally. mentally? How are you really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. Continue recalling the moments in your life that revealed lessons in deep love for you. Enjoy your discoveries. And if you feel inspired to do so, please share some in your comments. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.